Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform factory reset on your GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera. First of all, we don't want to erase any data, of course. We just want to perform the factory reset of the settings. So let's open the door on the right side of the camera and push the SD card slightly inside so it jumps right out. Make sure not to lose it. Then close the door. Swipe down the quick settings menu, go to the third page, open preferences here, scroll all the way down to reset option, and here select factory reset. Confirm. And wait until the factory reset operation is performed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.